In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a channel in Viber. So it's really simple, guys. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So let's get started without wasting any time. So all you have to do, you're going to see the purple chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You want to click on that. And from here, there's two options: new group or community, or new channel. So I want to click on new channel. From here, click on create a channel button at the bottom. Now we got to give it a name. Let's choose random one. Yeah, you can also enter a description for your channel, but it's optional, so I'm gonna leave it empty. You can also make it age restriction. People will have to confirm they're 18 plus to subscribe to your channel, but if you want to just enable this, if you don't, just disable this. So click on you can also edit a profile photo by just clicking this for the photograph camera icon. You can either take a photo via your camera, or you can choose an existing image from your gallery. So click on check mark at the top right corner once you're done with it, and then now you gotta add some people into your channel. After that, you want to click on the check mark button, and then that is it, guys. This is how you create a channel in Viber. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.